Here's a 20-day typing practice plan designed to gradually improve your speed and accuracy, starting from basics and progressing toward fluency. Why typing skills matter. It boosts productivity and efficiency, essential for using computers effectively. Improves focus and reduces physical strain. Posture and setup. Sit straight with feet flat on the ground. Keep elbows bent at a 90-degree angle. Screen should be at eye level. Use a comfortable chair and desk setup. Home row keys. Place fingers on the home row, ASDF, left, and JKL, right. Thumbs rest on the spacebar. Return fingers to home row after each key press. Finger position and movement. Each finger is responsible for specific keys. Avoid looking at the keyboard. Practice accuracy before speed. Common mistakes to avoid. Looking at the keyboard too often. Incorrect finger positioning. Typing too fast without accuracy. Benefits of good typing skills. Faster document creation and editing. A better performance in office tasks and exams. Improved computer handling skills overall. First week. Finger placement and home row. Goal. Learn correct finger placement and get comfortable with the home row keys. Day 1. Learn finger positions. A, S, D, F, J, K, L, semicolon. Practice. Type A, S, D, F, J, K, L, semicolon. Slowly and repeatedly, 10 minutes. Day 2. Practice. Words using home row keys. Dad, sad, ask, jag, fall, lead. Repeat each for 3 to 5 minutes. Day 3. Practice short home row sentences like, a sad lad had a salad. Ask Jack to fall. Day 4. Typing test. Use keybr.com or Typing Club. Focus on accuracy over speed. Day 5 to 7. Combine home row with top row keys, e.g. Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P. Practice words like rate, quit, per weight. Second week. Top row and bottom row integration. Goal. Add top and bottom row keys into your practice. Day 8. Practice. Quart, ZXCVB, jump, vape, zip, quit. Practice rows as patterns. CAS, WSX, EDC, etc. Day 9. Type simple sentences. The cat went up. Jump over the big log. Day 10 to 11. Introduce punctuation. Full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark. Practice typing. Don't quit. Why wait? Day 12 to 14. Practice full sentences and short paragraphs. Use websites like 10fastfingers or typing.com. Third week. Numbers, symbols, and accuracy. Goal. Improve accuracy and learn to type numbers and symbols. Day 15. Practice typing numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Try number rows combined with letters, e.g. A1, S2, D3. Day 16. Practice typing symbols, at the rate symbol, hash symbol, dollar symbol, percentage symbol, and symbol, star symbol, open bracket symbol, close bracket symbol. Example. Call me at 5 p.m. Day 17 to 18. Practice real-world content, typing emails, stories, or news articles. Day 19 to 20. Take typing speed tests. Set goals. 30 plus WPM for beginners, 45 plus WPM intermediate. Track accuracy. Aim for 90-95% plus.